Rome. The capital of Italy is a sprawling, cosmopolitan city with a history as old as 3,000 years. From the iconic Colosseum to the ancient ruins of the Roman Forum, there is no shortage of historical landmarks to explore in this city. With its convenient location in the heart of the country, Rome makes an ideal base for exploring the rest of Italy. The city is a goldmine for the ones who crave for thought-provoking art, lip-smacking food, and deep-rooted culture. In this Rome City Guide, we'll take you through the best things to experience during your visit, as well as tips and tricks to plan your trip to the Eternal City. There is never a bad time to travel to Rome, as it bustles all year long. However, if you're someone who wants to take their time and explore every hidden gem of Rome, make your way to the city during spring or fall. The weather is mild and comfortable during this season. If you're interested in avoiding the crowds, aim for midweek travel and avoid peak tourist seasons like summer and Christmas. With a Mediterranean climate, Rome experiences hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. But no matter what the weather is like during your visit, you'll be sure to enjoy all that Rome has to offer. There are two airports that serve Rome. The main airport, Fiumicino on the southwest side, and the lesser-used Ciampino Airport on the southeast side. Both airports offer a variety of transportation options into the city, including buses, trains, and taxis. If you're looking for the most convenient option, you can take a 30-minute ride via the Leonardo Express train from Fiumicino directly to Rome's main train station, Termini. If you're flying into Ciampino Airport, you can take a 40-minute TerraVision bus ride to Termini. No matter which airport you arrive at, the transport system in Rome will give you no trouble entering the city. Some of the most important must-see attractions in Rome include the Colosseum, which is the largest ancient amphitheater ever built, the iconic St. Peter's Basilica, a church with a capacity of over 60,000 people, and the Pantheon, a 2,000-year-old Roman temple. Other attractions that should definitely make their way into your itinerary are the Roman Forum, Spanish Steps, Vatican Museums, Borghese Gallery, Trevi Fountain, Piazza Navona, Sistine Chapel, St. Peter's Square, and Circus Maximus. A trip to these iconic landmarks will not only take you back in time, but leave you in awe with every piece of history behind it. Rome is a city with a rich history that can be seen in its architecture and infrastructure. The streets of Rome are some of the most iconic in the world. If you want to get a taste of what Rome is really like, then you need to walk its streets. Some of Rome's important street landmarks include Campo de' Fiori, a city square with a market located right in the center of it, the Piazza del Popolo, another public square with historical significance, and the Via Giulia, one of the first important urban planning projects in the Renaissance. The Piazza dei Mercanti is another beautiful square in Rome that's surrounded by striking architecture. The most romantic and fascinating neighborhoods of the world are found in Rome. Trastevere is a lovely area to stroll through with its antique cobbled streets and ivy-clad facades. The Vatican City, the world's tiniest country, is home to numerous of Italy's most precious pieces of art and architecture. La Piccola Londra, or A Little London, is a neighborhood with a single road which looks just like something out of the English capital. And finally, Borgo boasts the best panoramic views over the city. Rome is a historically rich city, but outside its borders are some cities that are rich in natural and architectural wealth as well. Some of the popular day trip destinations from Rome include Tuscany, Amalfi, and Florence, known for its beautiful landscapes, architecture, food and wine, and history. depending on your budget and interests. Rome offers a ton of beautiful areas to stay in. The efficient public transport in Rome makes it easy for you to get from area to area effortlessly. Book your stay at the historic center if you'd like to be in the vicinity of the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Trevi Fountain. If you're on a tight budget, consider staying in one of Rome's many hostels. There are a number of great options located throughout the city, so you're sure to find one that suits your needs. For those who want a more authentic Roman experience, consider staying in Trastevere. This charming neighborhood is located on the west bank of the Tiber River and is known for its narrow streets, lively bars, and traditional restaurants. Rome is a large city with a lot to see and do. Thankfully, getting around is relatively easy thanks to an efficient public transportation system. The best way to get around Rome is by using the city's extensive metro system. The metro consists of 3 lines: Line A, Line B, and Line C, which cover most of the city. The tickets can be purchased at any metro station, and a day pass costs only €6. If you prefer to get above ground, Rome also has an excellent bus system. Bus tickets can be bought from any newsstand or tobacco shop, and a day pass costs €4. Taxis are also readily available, although they can be quite expensive. However, Rome is a very walkable city, and exploration by foot is often the best way to find hidden gems. Just be sure to wear comfortable shoes. The food in Rome is some of the best in the world, and there's so many great restaurants to choose from. Apart from your usual Italian menu, there are a few things that you should definitely try while you're in Rome. One of the most popular dishes in Rome is carbonara. This dish is made with pancetta, eggs, and cheese, and it is absolutely delicious. If you're a fan of sweet breakfast dishes, don't miss out on the maritozzi. These sweet buns are a perfect start to your day in Rome. For a classic Roman lunch, try out a rectangular pizza, also known as pizza al taglio. You can also go for a hearty porchetta sandwich. If you're looking for a romantic dinner at a fine dining restaurant, go for the cacio e pepe and end your night with a cup of gelato. Rome has often been considered famous for being overpriced. But with a good amount of planning and booking your hotels in advance, you can travel within Rome under €50 to €60 per day. Try planning your trip to Rome between November and March. During this low season, the prices for accommodation and transport are reduced drastically. For all the attractions and monuments you want to visit, make sure you purchase your tickets online. You'll be sure to get discounted rates. Whenever you go to a restaurant for a meal, try sitting down at the bar. In Italy, it is common practice for restaurants to charge a table price. Buy yourself a Roma Pass. It allows you free access to up to 2 landmarks in the city, discounted admission at other major attractions, and unlimited free usage of the city's public transport system. To fully enjoy the fact that you're in Rome, ditch the public transport and travel around on foot. The monuments and attractions in the city center are fairly close to one another. When traveling to Rome, it is critical to pack appropriately. A travel adapter, reusable bottle, crossbody bag, raincoat, photo ID, etc. are a few important things to pack for your trip. Carry a pair of comfortable walking shoes to allow yourself to explore this ancient city comfortably. Most importantly, if you plan to visit churches in the city, make it a point to carry clothes to cover your knees and shoulders. Four or 5 days is generally enough time to see the highlights of Rome. But if you're interested in seeing more of the city and delving deeper into its history and culture, you could easily spend a week here. If you're visiting Rome, then you can plan your entire holiday with Headout. Check out our comprehensive collection of experiences, activities, shows, and trips that capture the best of Rome's attractions at headout.com. From exclusive tours of the Vatican City to tours of the catacombs, pasta-making classes to food and wine tours, we have it all. If you want to know more about Rome and plan your vacation carefully, check out our blog. We've got articles on everything in Rome. You may also save money on your tickets by using one of our discount coupons. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button and let us know what you think in the comments section. Subscribe to our channel for more travel guides from around the world.